The top teleprompters to watch in 2023. Scripting made easy. Discover a range of budget-friendly product options in today's video. We've ranked these products according to their performance, price, durability, and more. Please head over to the description to know more about it and its latest pricing. ILOKNZI. This foldable teleprompter is compatible with all tablets and smartphones on the market, thanks to its adjustable clamps and 16-inch glass frame. It uses a professional 1mm 70/30 optical beam splitter glass to display clear scripts, and the high-quality aviation aluminum alloy structure allows for easy installation on a tripod. The large mirror displays more copy information and presents clearer and wider text content. This teleprompter is versatile and can be used for various purposes, such as shooting short videos, recording blogs, and making smooth speeches. And the included suitcase makes it easy to take it anywhere. This teleprompter includes a remote control and a user-friendly teleprompter app, allowing you to control the scrolling speed and direction of your script effortlessly. With angle adjustment options, you can customize the viewing angle for your comfort. The ILOKNZI Large Teleprompter streamlines your workflow and enhances your on-camera performance. The included pack bag ensures portability and convenience, making it a must-have tool for anyone looking to create polished and professional videos or speeches. Upgrade your video production with this versatile teleprompter. Desview T3. If you like the Desview T2, you may like the T3 even more, thanks to its retractable base that can be extended to 40mm for accommodating smartphones or tablets up to 11 inches. Not only does it come with a 26-layer coating beam splitter glass, 70/30, but it also offers 97% highlight transmittance for those clear prompts. In addition, its easy-to-pull lid provides enough protection to the reflection mirror from scratches, stains, and fingerprints. Here is one of the more affordable auto cue devices, which is made with two cold shoe mounts and has the capacity to hold gadgets about 11 inches. The device features 26-layer beam splitter glass, which offers excellent quality text, making it easy to read without any double reflections. The glass lid and the 7H hardness can safeguard the device while you carry it. This model can hold a wider angle lens and comes with a retractable base. You also get customized shading rings for phones and DSLRs to prevent lights from sneaking around the lens and flaring the beam splitter's glass. Plus, it's pretty easy to set up and use in practice. NEEWER X12. The NEEWER X12 aluminum teleprompter with RT110 remote control is a universal and easy-to-use device that guarantees a high-quality video recording experience. The adjustable hood and leading technology glass ensures 75% light transmittance, allowing easy reading of your script from up to 10 feet away. The teleprompter supports smart control via the included RT110 remote and the NEEWER teleprompter app, which is compatible with iOS and Android devices. The teleprompter can fit all model of smartphones or tablets up to 9.84 inches and can be easily assembled within minutes. The collapsing design allows for easy storage and transport. The adjustable hood and cutting-edge glass technology ensure that your tablet's text is crisply reflected onto the high-definition teleprompter display, visible from up to 10 feet away. Please be aware that it's not compatible with wide-angle lenses, and your camera lens should have a focal length greater than 28mm. GVM. Advance your video production with the GVM Teleprompter Kit, an adaptable and portable resolution for digital cameras and camcorders. This kit includes an 18.5-inch teleprompter, a remote control, an 18.5-inch Android all-in-one monitor, and a convenient carry case. The 18.5-inch teleprompter ensures smooth and professional script delivery, making it ideal for content creators, bloggers, and professionals. The included remote control and app allow for easy control of the scrolling speed and direction of your script, putting you in charge of your performance. The 18.5-inch Android all-in-one monitor serves as a high-resolution display for your camera or camcorder, providing clear visuals and real-time monitoring of your shots. Its Android functionality adds versatility to your setup. Portability is a breeze with the included carrying case, ensuring that you can take your teleprompter kit on location or to different sets with ease. The GVM Teleprompter Kit provides the tools you need for a seamless and polished performance if you're delivering speeches, recording videos, or capturing professional footage. Elevate your content creation with this comprehensive teleprompter solution. Leeventi. This teleprompter kit works with smartphones, tablets, cameras, and tripods. It includes Leeventi's projection software, voice teleprompter, and remote control, all in one. Leeventi's reflective glass ensures excellent contrast, maintaining 100% brightness for video recording. Our affordable teleprompter, born from years of experience, guarantees flawless video results. The screen measures 28 by 19 centimeters and offers comfortable reading from 5 to 6 meters. Compatible with a wide range of devices, the Leeventi teleprompter makes your workflow more efficient and ensures you maintain eye contact with your audience or camera. It's the perfect tool for creating professional content with ease. With its compact and lightweight design, the Leeventi teleprompter is a must-have for on-the-go content creators, journalists, and anyone seeking a straightforward way to deliver scripts or prompts seamlessly during their shoots. Upgrade your content creation game with this versatile and portable teleprompter. CANALHOUT. The liftable teleprompter with remote control and app is a versatile tool that supports wider-angle lens shooting, multiple filming methods, and extended tablet platforms. With UHD-tempered optical glass, it provides a clear reflection of text and comes with a free app for easy control of text prompting. The lifting platform and screen provide the best prompt angle and shooting angle of view, and the shooting phone clamp supports smartphones up to 3 inches wide. The teleprompter features adjustable tempered optical glass, ensuring crisp, clear text reflection while maintaining eye contact with your camera. This promotes a professional and engaging on-camera presence. The teleprompter includes a convenient remote control and a user-friendly app, allowing you to easily manage script scrolling speed and direction. This ensures you stay in control of your performance while maintaining a natural flow. The liftable teleprompter is designed for ease of use, making it suitable for content creators, bloggers, journalists, and professionals seeking polished and well-paced deliveries. Its compact and liftable design ensures hassle-free setup and portability. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channels and also hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos.